How to improve accuracy in Gunship Battle Helicopter 3D. First of all, make sure you are comfortable with the controls. Spend some time in practice missions to get used to aiming and moving smoothly. Learning how to handle the helicopter without rushing will give you better precision when targeting enemies. Next, always lock onto your targets before firing. Gunship Battle provides a targeting system that helps you stay focused on enemies. Using guided weapons such as missiles is especially helpful for hitting moving targets. At the same time, don't waste ammo. Wait until the target is within range for the best accuracy. Another tip is to upgrade your helicopters and weapons regularly. Stronger equipment not only increase damage but also improve stability, which makes aiming much easier. Pick helicopters that are easier to control and match them with weapons that suit the way you like to play. It's a good idea to change your flight path. If you fly in a straight line, enemies can predict your moves and you will miss more shots. Try flying at angles or hovering when needed so you have more time to aim and shoot accurately. Finally, take your time and stay patient during missions. Rushing can lead to missed shots, but taking a few extra seconds to aim carefully ensures you hit your targets more often and save resources for tougher battles. Now you know how to improve accuracy in Gunship Battle Helicopter 3D. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.